What's going on? JakeOfALL here, and I got a prize. Not a prize. What is this? This is a prize. This is a present. This is a present for me. I'm going to show you what it is, and I'm going to try not to cut myself. This is from a guy that I've been talking to on Instagram, JDS Customs. He is doing some pretty cool ski-doo stuff. He also has his own equipment and makes some really neat stuff. And this sucker, oh my gosh, this thing is, you're gonna love this. Is that not awesome? So check that out. And you say, what in the world? I mean, look at how well this thing is built. Look at these casters. This is like a piece of 1/4 inch aluminum bottom plate. Then he has these brackets, and I originally found out about him because he makes brackets for the Raptors, for jacks, and then he does a PACKOUT bracket. And he decided to make one of these mini carts, and this is one of those half ones, and I needed a half for the washout setup I was gonna do. And I wanted. And this is why I'm sitting on a PACKOUT, because if you look at that, there you go. It is a half size, an ammo can, whatever you want to call it, PACKOUT cart. Awesome locking feet. I mean, oh, you can't beat that. This thing is built well. It's heavy duty. It's great feet. But here again, JDS Customs. I will put a link for him in the description of this video, but check it out. You can see here he's got this cart. Perfect little setup. He's got a ton of other stuff too. So JD, thanks for sending this out. Pretty sweet stuff. Oh yeah, PACKOUT.